EMS Automotive, manufacturers of sheet metal for 35 to 54 Chevrolet. What we're going to be talking about today is extended range, extended size transmission covers for the Chevrolet. You know, when we stick the bigger engines in there, the big blocks, the turbo 350s, the turbo 400s, if you're lucky enough to have an original floor plan, you will need a enlarged transmission cover. EMS Automotive manufactures these transmission covers. They're extended size. They will bolt into the original location on the floor pan and on the toe board. And we're going to cover all the years that these fit from 35 to 1948. So we got 4 different covers. Okay, I'm going to grab the 37, 38, 39. I'm going to take that back. 1937, 1939 Chevrolet. Extended, oversized transmission cover. Made by EMS. Die stamped out of heavy 18-gauge steel. This is not Chinese tissue paper. 18 gauge. Notice the curves that fit the floor. Notice the bulge. Notice the sharp edges. We got the toe board. It is attached. It is a one-piece, flexible. Look at that. It's flexible in one piece for the transmission cover. So you can adjust it. You don't have to worry about it rocking. It adjusts. We got the bolt holes, you know, because we can do that here in Detroit, Michigan, in our own manufacturing plants. We have all the equipment, tool and die makers. This will fit your car, okay? Turbo 350, Turbo 400, 700 R4, 4L60, 6L60. It works. Perfect. This is the 3739 Chevrolet. We have the 35 Master, the 36. Same way. You can see it's shaped differently. It's all shaped correctly to fit the car. So whatever shape your car needs, we have it. And again, it is flexible. Now we're going to go to the 1940 Chevrolet. Same thing again. All the shapes and curves, the bolt holes, 18 gauge, one-piece flexible stamping. How do you do a one-piece flexible stamping? When you manufacture in Michigan, in Detroit, with real tool makers and real engineers in your own factories, you can do these things. EMS Automotive. And then from there we go to the 41 to 48 Chevrolet. Here again, we got the correct shapes and curves, the correct holes, the correct length, curves, everything to bolt into the stock location. 18 gauge steel, made by EMS Automotive. What we have here is 1935 Master to 1948 Chevrolet for the original floor pans. If your floors are rusted out, we have our own floor kits that can help you out, and we still have the transmission covers, but these are for your stock car. So if you got a really good car, give us a call. We are EMS Automotive. You can find us at emsautomotive.com and check out the rest of our YouTube channels here. Go to EMS Automotive on YouTube and you will find other sheet metal for your 1935 to 1948 Chevrolet car. Thank you.